Baby Shark the doctor. Hello, little artist. How are you? Today we're diving into a colorful underwater adventure. Let's dive in. One day, Grandpa Shark wasn't feeling very well. He had a big frown on his face and let out a little sigh. Oh dear, I don't feel so good, Grandpa Shark said. Maybe I should visit a doctor. So he swam to the best doctor in the ocean, Dr. Baby Shark. Baby Shark was sitting in his orange chair, wearing his doctor's coat and stethoscope. Welcome, Grandpa Shark, he said with a big smile. Don't worry, I will make you feel all better. Grandpa Shark sat down on the red stool, looking a little nervous. Will it hurt? He asked. Baby Shark giggled. Not at all. Nurse Fishy is here to help too. Nurse Fishy, the friendly little orange fish, swam over wearing her white nurse hat with a red cross. Let's check your heartbeat first, she said cheerfully. Baby Shark placed his stethoscope on Grandpa Shark's belly. Bum bum. Oh, your heart sounds strong, Grandpa Shark. Now let's check your temperature, Baby Shark said. He gently placed a thermometer in Grandpa Shark's mouth. After a few seconds, Baby Shark checked the reading. You have a little cold, but nothing to worry about. Grandpa Shark said, Phew, that's a good news. Baby Shark smiled and said, You just need some rest, warm seaweed soup, and lots of love. Nurse Fishy clapped her fins, and don't forget to drink plenty of water. Grandpa Shark stood up and gave Baby Shark a big hug. Thank you, Dr. Baby Shark. You are the best doctor in the ocean. Baby Shark giggled. Anytime, Grandpa. Now, go home and get lots of rest. Grandpa Shark swam away, feeling much better already. Next time, I'll visit you just for a checkup and not because I'm sick. And so, Baby Shark continued his day, helping all the sea creatures feel happy and healthy.
Grandpa sighed, my head feels hot, my tummy aches, I cough a lot.
Wow, I really enjoyed that story. What about you, my friends? We should remember that Grandpa Shark was very brave. Kids, remember, when you're not feeling so well, you must visit the doctor. Doctors are very kind and gentle, and they're ready to help you.
A little nap.
Now look at our beautiful drawing. Lots of work to do. We have the Dr. Baby Shark with his stethoscope sitting on a chair. And here is our Grandpa Shark. He's not feeling so well. You're gonna be okay, Grandpa Shark. Be brave. Good job for the drawing. It looks so good.
One morning in the deep blue sea, Baby Shark was full of glee. But Grandpa Shark was feeling weak. His fins were tired, he couldn't speak. Oh no, what can we do? Said Baby Shark, I'll take care of you. He grabbed his bag and put on his coat with stethoscope and doctor's notes. And Dr. Baby Shark is here, checking hearts and wiping tears. Listen close, take a rest. Dr. Shark will do his best.
Grandpa Shark is sitting on a stool. Let's draw it.
Baby Shark said, let me see. I'll check your pulse, just count with me. He gave him soup, so warm and nice, some water, fruit, and good advice. Rest a while, don't swim too fast, you'll be better.
Let's use 3 circles for the wheels.
Checking hearts and wiping tears. Listen close, take a rest. Dr. Shark will do his best.
Dr. Baby Shark is going to need a help. So let's draw a nurse. A nurse fishy.
Grandpa Shark slept for a while, then he woke up.
She's always ready to help Dr. Baby Shark.
Thank you, Baby Shark, my dear. You're the best doctor far near.
We drew her round eyes, body, tail, fin, and her nursey hat.
Small, near or far, Dr. Shark's a shining star. A little nap, a little smile, Grandpa Shark's.
Let's draw the doctor's office. Behind Baby Shark, there's a big desk. The desk has a computer screen on it. Yes, a desk and a computer. For the desk, we need a big rectangle.
Big or small, near or far, Dr. Shark's a shining star.
And for the computer, we need a smaller rectangle.
You're the best doctor far and near. A little nap, a little smile, Grandpa Shark's.
Wow, kids, I'm feeling like that we are in a doctor's office. Now, let's make our lines darker.
You're the best doctor far and near. And doc-
Let's explore the colors. Look at Baby Shark. He is yellow, like the bright sunshine. His face and tummy are white, like fluffy clouds. He is wearing a doctor's coat, which is also white. And he has a stethoscope around his neck. It has a blue circle in the middle. Can you see it? Good job! You colored it blue. Baby Shark is sitting on a big, comfy orange and brown chair. The back of the chair is a darker shade of brown, while the seat is a bright and cheerful orange. Such a happy colors! Let's color Doctor's chair orange and brown. Kids, can you see the wheels too? Color them. Oh no, Grandpa Shark isn't feeling well. He is green like the leaves on the tree. His face and tummy are white, just like baby sharks. But look closely. His eyebrows are a little curved because he's not feeling his best. So let's color our Grandpa Shark green. He is sitting on a red stool. It's round and has little wheels at the bottom. Can you count the wheels? 1, 2, 3. Great job!
One morning in the deep blue sea, Baby Shark was full of glee.
Look who's here to help! Nurse Fishy. She is orange, just like a yummy carrot. She has a big smile and is wearing a tiny nurse's hat.
Baby Shark is here, checking hearts and wiping tears. Listen close, take a rest. Dr. Shark will do his best. Grandpa sighed, my head feels hot. My tummy aches, I cough a lot. Baby Shark said, let me.
The hat is white with a small red cross on it. What a helpful little nurse!
Don't swim too fast, you'll be better soon at last. Dr. Baby Shark is here, checking hearts and wiping tears. Listen close.
Great job! Now let's color the doctor's office. Let's use our pink color for the computer.
Baby Shark said, let me see.
The screen is a light shade of green. Can you spot it?
And good advice, rest a while, don't swim too fast. You'll be better soon at last.
There is a big disc colored in different shades of pink.
Close, take a rest. Dr. Shark will do his best. A little nap, a little smile. Grandpa Shark slept for a while. Then he woke up feeling bright, ready to swim, full of might. Thank you, Baby Shark, my dear. You're the best doctor far and near. Dr. Baby Shark is smart, helping others.
And finally, it's time to add some shadows. Kids, you can always add some more. You can draw some seaweeds or even some cute bubbles all around. So many beautiful colors in one drawing. Did you find them all? Which one is your favorite? let's keep exploring colors together. And the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.